Brandon be like, "Oh yeah, welcome back to another vlog." Know what I'm saying? Today we're gonna be getting into working on the Eclipse today. You know what I'm saying? We're about to go ahead and knock this bad boy out right now. Just kidding. But this video is gonna be about putting LEDs in the RSX and LED fog lights, gold, yellow. We're gonna do cheap LEDs so you guys don't have to do it. We'll see how long they last. Cheap. Well, they were on sale.
Oh.
These were like $50-some, but they were on sale for like 24. I was like, all right, run that, dude.
Them got the little fans on them or not? Yeah, they do. They might.
I was like, run that, dude. Yeah, that said run that. These ones don't have the fans on them. I thought I did order the ones with the fans, but apparently not.
Yeah, these.
These are just like super bright yellow plugins, like the ones I have now. They're just like bulbs.
These might be brighter then.
Yeah. This thing's still wobbly from yesterday. I can put my hand back there. Oh yeah, no, I really can't.
All of these fell over here.
All the leaves, dude. Freaking. Look at the RSX back there in the corner. The corner. Okay, we need to put these LEDs in here. Don't mind the wiring, dude. This freaking backyard, you know, freaking. Yeah, something like that, dude. I don't know. Usually I just take the headlights completely off the entire car, but I thought maybe I could like get away with this. Maybe I can get away with it. Should I just take the battery out? I can do that side with it out.
Yeah, it'd be a little easier to take the battery out.
I can do this side without it, and then I can do the fog lights without taking the entire bumper off either. This side won't be too bad. Just getting that bad boy off, dude.
Yeah, because we can't see nothing with these bad dogs. So while you're doing that,
Yeah.
all right, you done yet?
I got one bulb out.
Test it.
No, I didn't get
Got leaves in your car. Open the door up for 1 second, like 10 leaves went in there.
Look at that. Boom.
Yeah, that's mine. Give me that.
Brandon about smacked me the other day. It really is yours.
I'm the only one that has bad luck with headlights going out. What is that?
What do you mean?
Oh no, they can't be seeing that. Put that back on up in there, boy, on that dude. It don't want to stay on. Gonna put Iron Man on there.
You won't.
I was wondering how that kept getting knocked off. Look at that. That boy Brady gonna be putting nothing back. I don't like how it I can't see what I'm recording.
Tell me if that bad dog turned on.
Nope.
What?
Is it white or blue?
White.
I'll say don't stare at it. I guess turn it off because you know it works.
Where's the blue?
have what you got there?
I got yellow LED fog lights with a projector bulb in it.
The fucking LEDs are actually yellow. They made sure they was yellow.
Yep, they're yellow.
Watch them be blue.
Oh.
You gonna be able to do it like that?
Dang, green though. Green, don't be hating off the green. Green, green. Green, green, dude. Them things are super yellow.
What?
Those like legit gold yellow.
I know mine are green as fuck until it warm up.
These things are like pretty much for show right now. Maybe I'll go ahead and order HID kit for the fog lights.
That's up to you. It ain't bad.
I can't do those blue lights anymore.
I just do them for looks, honestly.
Yeah.
Can't see with them.
No. Nothing at all.
But then you put like the white LEDs in the center, you're good to go.
Yeah.
That kind of like mine. Because the inside plastic is like mine.
Yep. Check her out.
Till next time, folks.
Till next time. That will be the end of the video. I'm gonna put 2 different videos in this one, so good.
Cool.
Like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Alright, your boy.
And we out.
Perfect.